Let's talk about something that can change everything about your finances: paying yourself first. Most people see their money and instantly think about bills, loan payments, and credit cards. But what if you flipped that? What if you made sure you were the first person to get paid every single month? It's like turning your financial priorities around, putting you and your goals ahead of the endless expenses that come with life. When you get paid, save first. Even if it's only a little, set something aside before paying any bills or making purchases. This approach is simple but powerful. It's about securing your future bit by making sure there's always something left for you. Imagine building a fund that you can rely on, one that grows over time and gives you peace of mind. If anything unexpected comes up, you're not left scrambling. And here's the best part: automate it. Automatic transfers mean saving without even thinking about it. By setting up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account on payday, you won't even feel the loss. You're ensuring that part of your earnings go directly to your future. It's an effortless way to build a habit of paying yourself first. Investing is another step. Parking all your funds in a low-interest account might feel safe, but it won't build wealth over time. Instead, put a portion of your savings into investments like stocks, index funds, or retirement accounts. Each dollar you invest today is actively working toward your future. Track your spending to see where your money's going and cut out unnecessary expenses. Many times, people overspend on debt builders, the little things that add up. By tracking for just a month, you can often find areas where you can save a lot. These are funds you could be putting toward your own goals instead. Eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. High-interest loans, especially credit card balances, are draining your resources. The faster you can pay down this type of debt, the more money you'll have available each month to invest or save. High-interest debt is like paying a penalty for spending, so make it a priority to tackle it. Think long-term and create a future fund. This is money you're putting aside for big dreams: a house, a trip, a business venture. It's something beyond the day-to-day. Watching this fund grow can be incredibly motivating and is a reminder of why paying yourself first is so important. Let your money work for you. Banks and lenders make their profits off your interest payments, but you can flip that by using accounts and investments where your money grows with interest. Over time, small amounts compound, turning into significant growth. Don't cash out your returns, reinvest them. When you start seeing returns on your investments, resist the urge to spend them. Reinvesting helps you compound your gains. It's a snowball effect where small amounts grow into something significant because you're letting your money work for you. Forget trying to impress others with things you buy. Financial independence is about prioritizing what truly matters to you, not keeping up with anyone else. Skip the flashy items unless they truly bring value to your life. Choose experiences or investments that have real meaning and align with your financial goals. Budget for enjoyment. Being financially disciplined doesn't mean never having fun. Put aside funds for things you enjoy, whether it's travel, dining out, or shopping, so these expenses don't derail your progress. With a little planning, you can enjoy life and still prioritize yourself first. If you're looking to boost your income, consider a side hustle. Freelancing, consulting, or selling online can add extra funds that go directly toward paying yourself first. The great part is you're building security with each extra dollar you make. Education is key. The more you understand about finance, the better your decisions will be. Read about budgeting, investing, and financial planning. Financial literacy is empowering and helps you make the most of every dollar. Celebrate your progress. Financial success isn't just about the end goal. Each milestone, no matter how small, is proof that you're prioritizing yourself. Celebrating these wins can keep you motivated and focused on building your financial future. Look at the people around you. Are they financially responsible? Surround yourself with people who value financial security and growth. They will support and encourage your goals, helping you stay on track. When you're tempted to make a big purchase, try this approach. Give yourself a 30-day window. Set the money aside as if you'd already spent it and see if you still feel the urge after a month. Most times, that initial need fades. You'll be left with a healthier savings account and a clearer sense of what really matters to you. Adopt a money mantra. It may sound cheesy, but having a personal phrase to remind you of your financial goals can keep you grounded. Something like, "I pay myself first" or "I invest in my future" can serve as a quick mental reset every time you're about to make a purchase. It's a simple psychological trick that reinforces your priorities. Redirect any found money directly to your savings. Unexpected cash, tax returns, or bonuses can feel like money to spend, but if you treat it like income and save it, you're giving yourself a bonus toward your future. This method lets you keep your spending habits steady while boosting your wealth with unexpected funds. Go cash only for certain expenses. When you have to physically hand over cash, you feel the impact more than you would swiping a card. This technique can keep you more mindful of spending and encourage you to hold on to your money, that cash you didn't spend. Consider it saved and put it directly toward your future. Reward yourself by investing in time-saving assets. If there's a tool, subscription, or one-time purchase that will truly save you time or energy, look into it. Freeing up time allows you to focus on your side hustle or work on improving your skills, both of which can pay off financially in the long run. Make your financial goals visible. Whether it's a list, a chart, or a vision board, having a physical reminder of your goals is a powerful motivator. When you see your goals daily, the choice to pay yourself first feels more connected to your long-term dreams. Commit to a spend-fast day each week. On this day, try not to spend a dime except for essential bills. It sounds simple, but it adds up, and you're building discipline by skipping unnecessary spending. Embrace progressive pay increases with yourself. Every time you get a raise, increase the amount you pay yourself. If you get a 5% raise, set a percent of that into your savings. You're still seeing a bit more in your account, but most of the increase goes toward funding your future. If you like to shop, give yourself financial challenges instead. For instance, try cooking all your meals at home for a week or creating a fun challenge where you save an extra $50 from your usual spending. Setting personal challenges not only keeps things interesting, but also helps build savings without feeling restrictive. When you're tempted to splurge, think about the opportunity cost of each dollar. Every dollar you spend is a dollar that could be compounding in your savings or investments. This isn't about guilt, it's about realizing that today's small decisions contribute to tomorrow's big gains. Turn your health and wellness into part of your financial goals. Good health can reduce medical expenses in the long term. Simple habits like regular exercise, eating well, and managing stress are ways to invest in yourself that can save on unexpected costs. You're paying yourself by investing in a future with less financial burden. Don't just save, create interest boosters. For example, use high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, or peer-to-peer lending for any funds you don't need immediate access to. It's about making sure that every dollar you save is working as hard as possible for you. Teach others as you learn about finances. Sharing knowledge with family or friends makes your understanding stronger and keeps your focus on financial priorities. Plus, seeing others gain from what you're doing can motivate you to keep going. Remember, paying yourself first is about building a life where you're truly in charge. This approach isn't just about saving money, it's a mindset that values your future self over today's instant rewards. Each small step you take is like laying a stone on a path toward financial freedom. The beauty of paying yourself first is that over time, you'll see that what you've built is something no one can take away, a foundation for a lifetime of financial security and peace of mind. The ultimate goal here is not just about escaping debt or stress. It's about creating a life where you control your money, not the other way around. When you pay yourself first, you're saying yes to a future where financial freedom is possible. This shift may take time to show big results, but each step gets you closer to a life where you're in control, secure, and ready for whatever comes your way.